and how to approach it. Well, let's get some quick calls in at 9:10 this morning. The market is trending higher. It's up almost about 0.5%, for 50 points now in the Nifty. Sensex up 300 points. Mitesh, what would you do at this juncture if the market does open with this gap up? Then what's the top call at 9:10?
I think I'll go with a buy on Apollo Tyres with a stop at 322 for targets at 340.
Mitesh, I just want your thoughts on these names. So there's a newspaper report which says that Indian companies are paying up to 25% more for APIs, right? These are building blocks for drugs. That's up to 25% price rise in APIs coming out of China. IIFL is highlighting that this is a risk of downgrades for companies. Let's have these charts up. Risk of downgrades, margin downgrades for companies like IPCA, Alchem, Alembic. IPCA, Alchem and Alembic, they're saying that they were building 200 to 300 basis point improvement in margins for these companies. And this comes under a bit of a risk now. Any of these names, Mitesh, in terms of how they're looking, IPCA, Alchem or Alembic?
I haven't been tracking the other ones, but IPCA is on my radar. IPCA, I think if you look at last nearly about 7 months of price history, Prashant, I think on multiple times, 850, 840 level is held down. I think if it starts getting past 880, there'll be a reversal. But if it breaks 840, 850, then I think we're looking for a stronger decline happening.
Okay, thanks a lot for that. Let's get you some quick stocks that are buzzing around today. City Union Bank is top of mind. Abhishek is here to tell us more. Abhishek.
Well, Sonia, as you mentioned, City Union Bank is in focus given the fact that they have reported a gross NPA divergence for the FY22 number. So it's around 260 crores, which forms about 20.3% of the FY22 slippages and more than 13% of FY22 in terms of gross NPA. So provision divergence is just 40 crore. It may not impact the PNL going ahead. However, analysts are worried that, this slippages can cause a spike in gross NPA ratio, as well as the fact that management has now lowered their guidance in terms of the loan growth. So this could impact the stock in trade today. Back to you.
All right. Thanks a lot for that. We just have about 15 seconds before the market opens for the day. And in all likelihood, it will open with a green tick about 50 points higher on the Nifty, led largely by financials. So you have Bajaj Finance, Kotak Mahindra Bank, IndusInd Bank that are in the green. A lot of